Flagstaff is a mountain city that runs on precision. From snow season contractors and outdoor outfitters to health services, food businesses, and tourism-based operations, local owners here adapt fast and work through the extremes. New York Fast Funding partners with Flagstaff businesses that need capital, not later, but now. No waiting weeks, no red tape, just responsive financing built around how you operate. If your business brings in $10,000 or more each month and has been running for at least 6 months, you could already qualify. There's no credit score impact to apply, and the process is fully online, designed to move fast with clear decisions and funding that follows through. Flagstaff businesses face real challenges: tight weather windows, shifting demand, and limited time to act. The right funding lets you stay ready without hesitation. Apply today at New York Fast Funding.